aircraft cable carriers, which are encased in plastic. And all of the tools that are here allow you to fix all the common repairs that you have to do on a bike. You can adjust your seat post, you can tighten your seat, you can tighten this bolt, you can adjust your handlebars, you can fix your gears and your